Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Realme 12 Plus. You have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. And here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. And now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out AI, or you can click not now. And your Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.